be Basic. Today I'm cooking on board. We'll be making street tacos.
So this recipe actually is inspired from when we went cruising years ago down in Mexico, and I just always look forward to, after an overnight passage, we would pull into port and we would look for what?
Oh, we'd always look for the taco stands.
We'd always look for the taco stands, and it was always the longest line that we would always go to.
Yeah, never go to the taco stand with nobody in it.
Yeah, you might get food poisoning.
Yeah.
But the ones with the longest lines, it has to be long for a reason.
They will never fail you.
Yeah. So this is my version of street tacos.
Nice.
I hope you enjoy it. So for this recipe, I'm actually going to be using the pressure cooker to cut down on fuel and time. And for the liquid, I'm going to be using orange juice. So I'm going to start squeezing this, and this will be kind of shameful, but I'm actually kind of weak. And I actually have one orange, and I have a bunch of blood orange, so that should be interesting.
Wow, those are dark.
Yeah, they are. I hope it doesn't stain anything. So I just need a cup. Okay, so the juice is done. Now it's time for spices. So for the seasoning, I use salt and pepper, oregano, chipotle, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and of course my sweet smoked paprika. I love this stuff. It smells great, and I think it just gives it a little something special. So what I'm actually going to be using is a pork butt for this recipe, and I have 6 pounds here. I really actually don't need 6 pounds, so I'm going to cut it in half, use the other 3 pounds for another meal, and we'll just go ahead and cook the 3 pounds. Hey.
Thing's huge.
I know. So this will be for later, for another meal. And I'm going to go ahead and cube this up, take out some of the excess fat, and we'll go ahead and roll it into the mixture of spices, and we'll go ahead and put that into the pressure cooker.
Okay, now what?
Now we're going to put it in the pressure cooker. And I'll add an onion and some garlic in there. Add the orange juice.
Okay, I just want to know how long till I got a taco in my mouth.
A little bit, but it'll be tender and it'll be delicious, so it'll be worth the wait.
It's actually a pretty nice day here on Lake Union. A little breezy, a little chilly, but you know what? It's not raining. I'll take it. What's next?
I'm just gonna cut up some onion, some garlic. Add that in when we do the meat. It's just going to be a rough chop, not anything too defined. Let's get this going. I will always take advantage of cooking outside any chance I get. It's a little chilly out still, but it's not raining.
It's not raining.
We're gonna go ahead and do it out here.
Perfect.
Might be a little windy, but it's okay. That just means it cooks a little bit longer. It's under pressure, so.
Actually, it's not too bad here in the cockpit.
It's not too bad, yeah.
smells delicious already.
I know, I love the spices. But then now I'm gonna go ahead and add the onion. Add the garlic. And the fresh squeeze of this juice. One of the things that you're going to see me prepare a lot on board is this thing I call spring mix, and really it's just green onions, cilantro, and onion. I mince it all up, I put it in a container, and I sprinkle it on just about everything. It adds a little brightness.
And we all love it.
We do like it, and I don't know, it just gives that freshness to every meal. It changes every single
For
time.
breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You know it?
Certain things, but yeah, I do, I like it.
What's next?
Now we just hang out.
Let's do that.
Let's make some margaritas.
Ooh, I think I like that.
So one of the biggest things that I really like about Mexican tacos is all the condiments. Alright, so the meat is done. I'm going to go ahead and take the carnitas out, and then we're going to go ahead and pan fry it. It's just going to give it a little crispness. So we'll see how this goes. We like that sound.
Yes, get the pressure out. And there we are.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and shred everything before I fry it up, but I want you to taste it first, okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness, that is tender.
Is that good?
It's excellent.
It's almost dinner time. I'm gonna go ahead and fry this up. Hey, Emma! I'm gonna fry it up, and
Watch out.
we're gonna go ahead and serve it over some corn tortillas and all the condiments. So I hope you enjoy this, and this is my version of street tacos.